औज़ुबिल्लाहिमिनश्शैतानिर्रजीम बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। आज का जो हमने टॉपिक चुना है उसका नाम है अलजबरा। ये जो अलजबरा है ये मैथ का एक ऐसा शुबा है जिसमें तीन चीजें आती हैं। इन दिस टॉपिक अलजबरा वी डील विथ थ्री थिंग्स, that is number 1 constants, number 2 variables, number 3 mathematical operations. Mathematical operations. In this topic algebra we deal with three things: constants, variables, mathematical operations. Constants means numbers, those numbers having fixed numerical value. That is, for example, 0, 1, 2, 3, so on. Constant means those numbers having fixed numerical value, like these numbers. These constant numbers are used for representing those quantities. These constant numbers are used for representing those quantities having fixed numerical value. उन क्वांटिटीज के लिए हम इनको इस्तेमाल करते हैं जिनका फिक्स्ड न्यूमेरिकल वैल्यू होता है. नाउ variables are letters of the English alphabet. Variables are letters of the English alphabet. For example, A, B, C up to Z. Variables are the letters of English alphabet, that is A, B, C dash dash up to Z. These are variables. These variables are constants are used for representing those quantities having fixed numerical value. Variables, that is A, B, so on up to Z, are used for representing unknown numbers. These are used for representing unknown numbers. Constant numbers have fixed numerical value, but variables does not have fixed numerical values. Constants are representing for those quantities having fixed numerical value. Variables are used for representing unknown numbers. Mathematical operations. There are four basic fundamental operations of mathematics. Number 1 is division, subtraction, multiplication, and addition. Addition, subtraction, division, and multiplication. An expression made up of constants and variables. By connecting the signs of mathematical operations is known as algebraic expression. अब जब ये अलजेब्रिक एक्सप्रेशन जो होता है, ये क्या होता है? एन अलजेब्रिक एक्सप्रेशन इज द कॉम्बिनेशन ऑफ कॉन्स्टेंट्स एंड वेरिएबल्स including four or one or more operations of mathematics. ये जो अलजेब्रिक एक्सप्रेशन है, ये क्या होता है? ये कॉन्स्टेंट्स और वेरिएबल्स का बना होता है और इसमें मैथमेटिकल ऑपरेशंस भी इस्तेमाल होते हैं, यानी इंक्लूडिंग दीज मैथमेटिकल ऑपरेशंस. One or more operations are used for making algebraic expressions. Now, what is algebraic expression? An algebraic expression is the combination of constants and variables including mathematical operations. For example, 5xy minus 9m plus 11b minus 107. This is made up of constants and variables. X, y, m, b. These are variables. 5, minus 9, 11, 107. These are constants. Minus, plus. These are mathematical operations. So, an algebraic expression is a combination of constants and variables by using mathematical operations. After it is term of the algebraic expression. इसके बाद आती हैं term of the algebraic expression. This is algebraic expression. Now, what is term of the algebraic expression? अब हम देखेंगे कि ये टर्म जो होते हैं, ये टर्म क्या होती है, यानी टर्म ऑफ द अलजेब्रिक एक्सप्रेशन क्या होती है. In this expression there are four parts. 1, 2, 3, 4. The part of the algebraic expression including its sign is known as term of the algebraic expression. इस एक्सप्रेशन का जो हर एक हिस्सा विथ साइन टर्म ऑफ द अलजेब्रिक एक्सप्रेशन कहलाता है, यानी इसका हर पार्ट इंक्लूडिंग साइन इज नोन एज टर्म ऑफ द अलजेब्रिक एक्सप्रेशन. फॉर एग्जाम्पल यहां पर हम लिखेंगे 5xy. दिस इज फर्स्ट टर्म नंबर 1 प्लस 11b. यहां पर हम लिखेंगे 11b. These are called terms of the algebraic expressions. इसके बाद आते हैं factors of the algebraic expressions. Now, what are factors of the algebraic expressions? Are factors of the term of the algebraic expressions. Each term of the algebraic expression. Each term of the algebraic expression contains one or more numbers or literals. Each term of the algebraic expression contains one or more numbers or literals. These numbers or literals are called factors of the term of the algebraic expression. For example, 5 xy. In this term 5xy, there are three factors. Factor number 1 5, factor number 2 x, factor number 3. So in each term of the algebraic expression there is one or more literals or numerals. These numerals or literals are called factors of the term of the algebraic expression. Now, what is an algebraic expression? An algebraic expression is a combination of constants and variables including mathematical operations. The part of the algebraic expression, including its sign, is known as term of the algebraic expressions. Each term of the algebraic expression is a product of one or more numerals or literals. These numerals or literals are called factors of the algebraic expression. इसके बाद आते हैं क्लासिफिकेशन ऑफ टर्म्स ऑफ द अलजेब्रिक एक्सप्रेशन. इनको हम दूसरे टॉपिक में आपको बताएंगे.